it's me, Void Viewer, back with another video, and I'm gonna be showing you all 37 of my items in my locker today. I'm gonna shred them all in this bad boy right here. If you don't subscribe, you get shot. Well, not today. Put this back in there. Alright. First item, the stick you can hit enemies. Same with the bow. The backpack, the normal backpack. These items right here, you can just basically do other things with them. I don't know what to do with them. Let's shred this too. Alright. The flashlight, an item where you can use to light up the room. The flashbang, right here. You activate it, and you throw it, and it blinds the enemies. The glow stick. I know this for the yellow glow turns off eventually. When it starts to flicker, it becomes dim. Next time you turn it off, it turns off over time. It has like a battery, just like the like a hoverboard or hoverpad. Next item, the rocket. Hey, a jetpack. An item you can use this. And you'll have to shred that right after, just because you don't need it. No, the next you can use the fly and touch the ground, to touch the other items, to give it a nice little kick. Make it float away. The arrow, item where you throw at your enemies or shoot at your enemies with the crossbow to do damage. Not much damage. It's just an item. The flare will fires a single-use flare light up the room environment. The sun has made it hot in ocean. Sun made it, but it does. Don't you? It's not monsters. Closer rotation and makes you faster. Light bulb arrow. You throw it at your enemies, it makes them light. Dynamite, fun item. You light it, you light the wick, you get ready to throw wherever you want to throw it, and it will explode. Also, I got a little pink flashlight. Now the grenade. The impact grenade, a fun item. An item where you can light it off, throw it at your enemies. I also forgot to do this. Alright, the big backpack. An item that can hold a backpack that can fit 20 items and max time. But if you don't own any of like the extra backpack slots, then only 20. It's a little grenade. You can throw it anywhere, and it should teleport you wherever it was, whenever it activated. The baseball bat, the best great weapon for hitting monsters out of the park. This is the ogre here, and so it just knocks your friends back, smashing your enemies, doing not much damage. The plunger, an item that can stick to surfaces, no matter how heavy you are. So it's like if you have two of them, if your backpack's really heavy, or you have one, but you might want to have two. But if you only have one, you can hold any weight almost. Oh, I didn't shred the ogre nor the other thing that was right here. Shred the baseball bat, I don't think. Yeah. The crowbar, one of the best items in the game. Are hitting your eye. The same thing as the crowbar, just does more damage. Shield. It protects. Just like this. In the map, just look at you can see everything in the map. The umbrella allows you to glide like Mary Poppins. Huge lance, letting you take from a far distance. The pickaxe, a really fun item for beating your enemies up. And mining crystals. The golden pickaxe, an item is basically just this, but does more damage, and gold plated, making it look cooler and better for mining. They're both good at mining, but this one just hits, you don't have to hit as much. This is the ammo for a rope gun. Oh, here's the item that I've been shredding with. I'm gonna shred that. Shred that. Did I not shred? I don't think I shredded this. Probably did, but didn't shred the okay. Then I shredded this. Sticky dynamite. Throw your enemies really far enough, and it sticks to surfaces like that. Look at this. Look, it can stick to walls and stuff, and causing a good explosion. This is just, I'm showing you what that does in a minute. Where I can find the item for it. Oh, here's the rope gun. Shoot the rope and then you put the rope back on. And you can also cut the rope with any melee weapon, like a stick. And the monster trap slash the tripwire. You can set it down. Something touches it, it explodes into pieces. Revolver ammo, just use it for revolver. Rocket launcher ammo. You can make some pretty nasty combinations with this. I'm gonna stick it dynamite on here. But a couple sticky dynamite on here. Causing one of the most epic explosions ever. Like that. It's just kind of fun. Oh, crossbow. You can use your arrows. Hoverboard, and I already showed you. You can fly for short distances until the hoverboard eventually runs out of battery like this. Basically able to kill any monster, but except the ogre. Rocket launcher, which used RPG. Let's shoot. Making it, and that's all my items right here. Let me show you all of them. Every single one of them. I guess that's the end of today's video. See you guys in the next one.